Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial to show you how to use this quick and easy dashboard that we developed here at Solyntek to help you out collect all the data you have from incident data, etc., to have it in one place, and hopefully it helps you out in your transition to a more computerized safety processes. So here we open the Excel file. We have different tabs. So there is the README, dashboard, rate calculator, data entry, and variables. So the first page is the README. So the README page, you'll have detailed, basically instructions on how to use different pages. It's very straightforward. I mean, it has screenshots for every single page with every single step and every single field you must fill out. So it's I think it's very important to go through it before to try the other pages. So I'm gonna just scroll down here to show the full content. But whenever you have the file, just make sure you go through it. If there is, any question or anything, go back to this page. Otherwise, you can contact us. So the next page that we need to set up whenever we're gonna use the file is the variable. So we go to the variable page here, and we have these fields. So the fields that we need to change are the ones in yellow, highlighted in yellow. So these are, for example, incident mechanism. So if you have different mechanisms, you could either delete from this list or add to it. Job positions. So we could, for example, log the information about the incidents, depending also on the job position. So we could add more if we have more positions we are tracking for, and also the locations. So if we have different sites that we want to track the data for, we could basically either add or change these options here. And again, we have included steps here to guide you through every single page. Next page we go to is the data entry. So click on the data entry page. So you have first, so you'll see this table here. So this table, it's where you enter the data, but first we need to scroll to the right side of the page. And we have also these yellow fields here. So these are data about the number of workers that you have on your site, how many hours per shift, how many shifts you have, and and it will calculate for you how many total worked hours you have for the site, and also you will have to enter the start date whenever, like, for every year or every period of analysis, you could add the start date. Okay, and then if we fill this, then we'll go to the table here, data entry table, and for every line we could add new data, and we have different columns. So there is the date. We'll enter the date here, time of the incident, location. So for the location, you could choose from it's going to be the list. For incident mechanisms, also it's going to be a drop down list like so. Severity as well, it's going to be a drop down list. Job position, etc. So all these will be drop down lists. If it's a recordable incident or not, if it's a dark related incident, if it's a LTI, how many lost days of work, and also the sheet will calculate, for example, how many worked hours till that incident have been occurred. Who did the reporting of the event? You could type this down. We could give it a description so you'll remember it, and also these fields will be filled out by the sheet itself. So there are formulas that I don't recommend that we touch here, but it's there to calculate, for example, how many work days since last incident, which months of the year did you have these incidents, etc. Then also we have the rate calculator. So for example, this one will have the total recordable incident rate. So enter how many recordable incidents, total worked hours, and we'll calculate the rate for you. Same thing goes for the others. So date away is restricted and transfer date rate, lost time incident rate, injury severity rate, etc. So all data here. Just have to fill out these yellow fields, and it will calculate for them. And then we go to the dashboard. So the dashboard is like basically we'll have all the data for you like displayed here, and it's very user friendly and very easy to understand. So for example, I have the total number of recorded incidents, total recordable incidents, total non-recordable incidents, how many worked hours we have, how many days without incidents we have, for example, the total rate of incidents, start this rate as well, total lost working hours, and total days lost. All this data will be here at the top, and then we have different charts. So, for example, the charts here, like this, will give you incidents by type. So, if we have different types of incidents, this will get updated. If we have different, different workers, then we'll see the incident distribution by worker type. Here we have the total number of incidents per month. Here, by location, total recordable incidents for that month, incidents by time of the day. So if we have, again, different shifts, gonna compare the morning, afternoon, and night. Days since last recordable incident for your different sites, and the severity of distribution of your incidents. So all this is going to be available in this dashboard, and it's very easy to use. Again, if you have any questions, you can either reach out to me on LinkedIn or by email. So we have our contact address email over here. So it's contact@solyntek.com. So you can reach out